Hello viewers, I'm Priya and I'm delighted to welcome you all to a brand new episode of a brand new season 14. Thank you for being with us on this incredible journey with Z Connect for 13 amazing seasons. Your support and enthusiasm have been the driving force behind our success. As we embark on an exciting new season, we are thrilled to continue bringing you the content you like. Get ready for fresh stories, engaging events, and unforgettable moments. Here's to another fun season together. Today we have a special treat as we introduce you to two brothers who have been making waves in Bollywood. Please join me in welcoming the Faridi brothers, Shadab and Altamash, who recently performed at a unique concert called Showtime at the Coca-Cola Arena, Dubai, organized by PME Entertainment. Known for their remarkable voices and inspiring journeys, these two have captivated audiences with one musical blockbuster after another. Get ready to hear their story in their own words. So I'm here with the Faridi brothers. Welcome Shadab and Altamash to Dubai.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much, प्रिया जी.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमारे शो पर जी कनेक्ट पर भी आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
सो दुबई में गर्मी लग रही है?
एक्चुअली दुबई से हमें इतना प्यार है कि हमें गर्मी नहीं लग रही है यहाँ पर. और खास कोका कोला अरीना.
हाँ, यहाँ तो मतलब परफॉर्म करने का मज़ा कुछ और है,
जी जी, इंशाल्लाह.
व्हाट्स द फीलिंग लाइक परफॉर्मेंस से पहले?
वेरी एक्साइटेड. आज के दिन का एक्साइटमेंट अलग लेवल पे है. ये हमारी लाइफ का, हमारे करियर का सबसे बड़ा दिन है. हम लोग आज अरीना में परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं.
सो ग्लैड, सो हैप्पी फॉर दैट. लेकिन अब इस परफॉर्मेंस पे और कितनी एक्साइटमेंट है उस पर फिर से आएंगे थोड़ी देर में. फर्स्ट आई विल टेक यू बैक इन योर जर्नी, अपनी म्यूजिकल जर्नी के बारे में मुझे शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. बताइए क्या, कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था ये सब?
अल्तमश भाई
बताइए. शादाब भाई आप. एक्चुअली हमारी जो जर्नी है, पहले शादाब भाई आए थे इंडस्ट्री में. और शादाब भाई ने बहुत मेहनत की है और फिर शादाब भाई ने मुझे बुलाया और जर्नी तो बहुत लंबी है हमारी.
एक्चुअली हमारे वालिद साहब कव्वाली करते थे, जो हमारे उस्ताद मेरे वालिद साहब मेहताब फरीदी साहब और मेरे दादा परदादा उनके वालिद, हमारे मतलब बुजुर्गों से चलता आ रहा है.
फैमिली में ही म्यूजिक,
संगीत हमारे ब्लड में है, हमारे खून में है. तो ये सब मेरे वालिद साहब की देन है. उन्होंने हम दोनों भाइयों को बहुत मार मार के प्यार से खिला खिला के सिखाया है. थोड़ा बहुत हमने सीखा है. वो तो चाहते थे बहुत कुछ सीखें, पर हमने जितना भी उनसे ले पाए, और वही है कि जो आज अल्लाह का करम है कि लोग उसी संगीत के ज़रिए, उसी म्यूज़िक के ज़रिए लोग हमें इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं, इतनी मोहब्बत कर रहे हैं. ये तो आपकी आंखों के सामने है.
मुझे पता है वो म्यूज़िक तो जैसे आपने बोला फैमिली से चल ही रहा था संगीत, और आपने भी सीखा एंड आपका भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट था उसमें. तो ये जो मतलब इतनी लंबी आपकी बॉलीवुड की जर्नी हो गई है, वो बॉलीवुड ब्रेक कहाँ से आया सबसे पहला वाला?
हमारे अंकल हैं, वो बॉम्बे में रहते थे, तो मैं अकेला आके उनके पास आके रुका, और उसके बाद मेरा स्ट्रगल स्टार्ट हुआ. और फिर बॉम्बे में काफ़ी चीज़ें की हैं अल्लाह के करम से, काफ़ी कोशिशें की. और फर्स्ट ब्रेक मुझे जो दिया, वो दिया बड़ा सॉन्ग जो दिया, फर्स्ट बिग सॉन्ग प्रीतम दादा ने, फ्रॉम द मूवी तुम मिले, तू ही हकीकत ख्वाब तू. उसमें पूरा गाना जावेद भाई का था. पूरा गाना नहीं गाया था मैंने. पूरा गाना फुल सॉन्ग जावेद अली का था. उसमें कुछ लाइनें थी जो कि मैंने और मोहम्मद इरफान ने गाई थी. और एक लड़का है हर्ष, हम तीनों से गवाई थी प्रीतम दादा ने.
वेरी नाइस. तो आप कह रहे थे कि आपसे 6 साल छोटे हैं, तो साथ काम करने में किसको ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है या किसको ज़्यादा इरिटेशन होती है?
नहीं, इरिटेशन नहीं बोलेंगे, लेकिन हम लोग एंजॉय करते हैं काम को. और साथ में गुस्सा तो करती हैं बड़े भाई, आपको पता ही है.
किस बात पे सबसे ज़्यादा डांट लगाते हैं? फोन जोड़ने के लिए.
छोटा भाई होता है लाडला, तो अब वो
प्यार तो बहुत करते हैं, ये तो पूछने के, ये तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं होता. लेकिन डांटते किस बात पे? ज्यादा फोन पे रहते हैं.
डांटते हैं.
पहले ये सिर्फ मुझसे प्यार करता था, पर कुछ सालों से ये फ़ोन से मुझसे ज़्यादा प्यार करने लगा है, इसलिए डांट पड़ती है.
फोन पर किससे बात करती हो? रील्स देखते हो?
फोन आपको पता ही है आजकल तो
एडिक्शन,
सोशल मीडिया है. फिर
आपने संजय लीला बंसाली सर के साथ भी काम किया है. टेल मी अबाउट दैट एक्सपीरियंस.
अरे बहुत कमाल एक्सपीरियंस था. उनके साथ एक ही फिल्म में हम लोगों ने 3 गाने किए थे, जो दीवानी मस्तानी था हमारा ट्रैक, और फिल्म का नाम था बाजीराव मस्तानी।
दीवानी मस्तानी, आज इबादत।
या इवन अभी शाहरुख भाई के साथ काम किया हमने डंकी में, वो भी हमारी लाइफ का बहुत बड़ा गाना था, जिसमें शाहरुख भाई लंदन से रिटर्न आते हैं।
हाँ
मैं तेरा रास्ता देखूंगा।
हाँ
तो ऑफ कोर्स प्रेशर तो
2 लाइन हो जाए उस गाने की।
बिल्कुल, 2 लाइन क्या, आप 4 लाइनें मैं आपसे गवाऊंगी।
चलिए अल्तमश भाई शुरू कीजिए आप।
जो भी हो चाहे वजह तेरे जाने की, जो भी हो चाहे वजह तेरे जाने की,
मैं दुआ मांगूं तेरे लौट आने की।
मैं दुआ मांगूं तेरे लौट आने की।
रब की आदत है मुझको आजमाने की।
रब की आदत है मुझको आजमाने की।
सुन ले मेरी भी जिद है तुझको पाने की। सुन ले मेरी भी जिद है तुझको पाने की। मैं तेरा रास्ता देखूंगा, मैं तेरा रास्ता देखूंगा, मैं तेरा रास्ता देखूंगा, मैं तेरा रास्ता देखूंगा। जान में जब तक है मेरी जान, दम में जब तक है मेरे दम, तब तलक दम ना तोड़ूंगा, मैं तेरा रास्ता देखूंगा।
क्या बात है, क्या बात
इस
है।
गाने के लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक्स प्रीतम दादा को एंड अमिताभ सर को। इतना खूबसूरत गाना लिखा है और इतना प्यारा म्यूजिक।
वे कम ले आ, वे कम ले आ।
Goosebumps आ चुके हैं मुझे।
थैंक यू सो मच।
सो ब्यूटीफुल, इट्स सो
Thank you very
ब्यूटीफुल। आप सही कह रहे हैं कि ये वर्जन सबको पसंद आ रहा है। आई एम श्योर आज भी जब आप गाएंगे इसको पूरी ऑडियंस आपके साथ गा रही होगी।
इंशाल्लाह।
सो थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपका बहुत 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 शुक्रिया, आप
प्रिया
यहाँ
जी,
पर
बहुत
आए
बहुत
और आपने
शुक्रिया।
इतनी स्टोरीज शेयर की हमारे साथ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
शुक्रिया।
Time for a quick break, but we'll take you to try some delicious recipes right after this. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Today we are thrilled to bring you some delicious recipes and culinary inspiration featuring a true superstar in the kitchen, Lurpak. Known for its premium quality and rich, creamy flavor, Lurpak is the perfect companion for all your cooking adventures. So grab your aprons and join us as we explore a world of flavors, tips and techniques to elevate your culinary skills. Hello and welcome back. Today we've got a delightful cooking session planned for you, and with me is of course the very amazing Chef Tarun. Hello Chef.
Hi Priya, lovely to be here.
Well, today we have 2 mouth-watering recipes planned for you, Murg Malai Tikka and Dahi Toast. And what makes these dishes truly special is the rich aromatic flavor of Lurpak butter, which really elevates the taste of the dish. Made with 100% natural ingredients, Lurpak Soft has a soft texture that can be used instantly from the fridge.
Absolutely Priya, Lurpak butter, it's slightly salted, adds a unique twist to the recipes, taking it to a whole new level of deliciousness. For those who don't like salt in their recipes or in their food, you can switch to unsalted version of Lurpak butter.
That's correct. So Chef, what are the ingredients we are using for Murg Malai Tikka today?
So we have chicken breast, fresh yogurt, shredded mozzarella cheese, cardamom powder, fresh green chilies, ginger garlic paste. We have black pepper, salt for the seasoning. We have got cumin powder. We have got chaat masala for the tanginess. We have got cream.
And my favorite ingredient, Lurpak butter. Am I right?
Definitely.
Let's start with the process. So what do we do first, Chef?
We are going to make the marination. I'm going to chop some chilies. Do you like spicy?
Medium spicy.
So I'll add like 2 chilies.
Okay.
So what are we going to do? We are going to finely chop them. So we'll start with yogurt
All right.
and 2 tablespoons mozzarella cheese,
All right.
around 1 tablespoon, cardamom powder, half a teaspoon, ginger garlic paste, around 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder, half teaspoon, salt, half teaspoon again, cumin powder, 3/4 teaspoon. We have got cream here, or maybe let's just add one more. So 3 is good. 2 green chilies. We'll take a butter.
Yes. And now we add some butter to it.
Yeah, just a small slice.
So now let me help you mix all the ingredients together, chef. Lovely. I think it's done.
Perfect. So I'm gonna use roughly around 400 grams of chicken breast,
Okay.
skinless and boneless. So let's
Right,
mix
and
it,
then we
mix
mix
it
up
completely
The
through.
chicken, coat it entirely with our marinade.
Definitely. And I think we have to keep it in refrigeration for minimum of 1 hour. So our murg malai tikka is in marination. I think it's gonna take 1 hour or so. Meanwhile, we'll begin with our next recipe, which is dahi toast.
So chef, what are the ingredients we are using for dahi toast?
Here we have the ingredients. We have yogurt, fresh green chilies,
Okay.
mustard seeds, curry leaf, onion for garnish, gram flour,
Besan.
besan, black pepper powder, salt, red chili powder, turmeric, fresh coriander, sourdough bread.
Well, chef, you're using all my favorite ingredients in this dahi toast. In fact, let's take a moment to talk about the Lurpak garlic butter. Its creamy texture and aromatic garlic flavor make it the perfect ingredient for savory dishes. Am I right?
Absolutely, Priya. I think Lurpak garlic butter add depth of flavor to every single bite.
All right, so let's get started with making the dahi toast.
Yes, we are going to make a batter. So for the batter, we'll take yogurt, 2 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon black pepper,
Okay.
1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, of course 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, gram flour, 1 tablespoon. Now we are going to whisk it.
Okay.
Just to have little body in the batter, I'm gonna add water. As per the consistency, there is no fixed recipe for the water here.
Okay.
So I think this is the enough batter for our 2 slices of bread. No wastage, completely okay for the dish.
Okay. So let's make the
Begin.
toast.
So we have our batter ready. So our next step is to make the tempering. It is very important. So what we're gonna do is, we will take some green chili. And I'm gonna slit them into half. We will have some curry leaves,
Okay.
roughly around 7-8.
All right.
We'll start with our Lurpak garlic butter.
Okay.
So I'm gonna take about 1 small teaspoon of garlic butter.
Okay.
You wanna taste it?
Wow, the garlicky flavor is amazing and it's so creamy.
Nice. So green chili, curry leaf, small teaspoon of mustard seeds,
Oh, the aroma is just incredible.
and all of them are dancing in garlic butter. So once this is done, we are going to transfer it into our batter.
The tempering, the
Yeah.
tadka as we call it.
Yes.
So that's the batter and you've added the tadka to it.
Yes.
Okay, it's all now set for the bread to be dipped in and the
Correct.
toast can be made.
So let's slice some sourdough. This is the size we are looking at.
Okay.
Smell this. The sourdough is a process. So I think 2 is good for us.
Yes. So how about I help you make this? Shall I dip this into the batter?
Go for it.
Okay, I think I have nicely covered the sourdough bread with our batter.
So I'm gonna take more butter into the pan.
Yes. And into that sizzling butter,
we are going to put a slice. Let me help you here.
Oh wow. Smells heavenly, chef. But chef, you've taught me a really easy recipe, so I can make this batter myself. So our dahi toast seems
Yes.
ready.
Yes, let's take it out on the plate.
Okay. And surely you will garnish it with something.
I'm gonna use onion, some nice fresh thinly sliced onions, and of course fresh coriander.
Perfect. Looks great.
So a dahi toast with Lurpak garlic butter, it's right here on the table. So Priya, are you ready to cook some malai tikka?
Absolutely.
So let me bring out from the fridge.
Okay, so our marinated chicken is here.
Yes. So this time I'm going to cook different. We are going to put them into satay sticks.
Okay. Our sticks are ready.
Yeah. So we'll take Lurpak butter
Okay.
for grilling our malai tikkas. I always say with butter anything is good.
It is.
So 1 teaspoon.
Okay, we let it melt. And then
We are going to place our chicken.
wow, it's looking and smelling great, chef. I guess the chicken is ready.
Yes, it's on the last stage of cooking, roughly around 1 minute more.
Alright.
Till the time, we can start with our nice onion lacha salad to pair up well with the tikkas. So we'll take half an onion, thinly slice it. We'll take red chili powder,
Okay.
chaat masala, 1 teaspoon, and lemon juice, just the half of it, fresh coriander, and let's mix it up.
All right.
So we can remove it from the pan. We will sprinkle bit of chaat masala.
Okay.
We'll bring out our plate.
All right. Great.
For the onions, do you mind if I use my hands?
Not at all, chef. Go ahead.
Nice lacha salad on the side. There we go.
This looks delicious, chef. I'm ready to dive in along with our dahi toast.
Yes.
I can already imagine the flavors coming together, all thanks to Lurpak salted and Lurpak garlic butter. There you have it, folks. 2 delectable dishes made with the magic touch of Lurpak butter. Join us for more culinary adventures next time only on Z Connect. Until then, happy cooking. I feel like taking a quick coffee break. But soon after, I am going to make you meet some amazing guests, so stay with us. Welcome back. I am so thrilled to have the team behind the Escape Room series Spectre Blackout available on ZEE5 Global joining us for an exclusive interview. Get ready to chat with the talented cast and crew, including producer and director Zenofer Fatima and the others, about their experiences, behind the scenes stories, and the magic that went into making this project a success. It's lovely to see the cast and crew of Spectre Blackout with us here in the studio. The last time, Jennifer, we spoke to you before the series was to come out, and now it's out there for
That's
the
right.
world to see. It's on Z5.
Yeah.
Tell us the feeling.
Oh, it's absolutely very amazing, and we all feel charged about it. And I think it's very amazing that we were right on time to direct and produce and co-produce whatever, and we are there. Yeah, quite happy.
Okay. Well, we'll come to you, Afra, you being the director, the script writer, the screenwriter on this. Tell me, and now with the outcome, the final product, and it being there now for the public to watch, what do you feel?
I'm very happy about the turnout. This is actually my first huge project because I've only been doing short films.
Yeah.
I'm still learning the ropes. Writing wise, it was a very ambitious project for me. So to see all of that translate on screen and seeing what people think about it, it's really nice.
Well, Jennifer, we are going to come to you to ask you about the casting. But before that, I want to hear from the cast and about their characters. So we'll start with you, Alanson.
All right, so for me, it was a very good experience. It was, again, my first time as well. And like Afra mentioned, it was very ambitious for everybody.
Yeah. Tell us about your character in the series.
Well, my character is very calm and composed.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I felt like I was relating it more to my real self. And then when I switched back into the character, I think it just helped.
Yeah.
And yeah, I just hope I do a better job in season 2.
Well, thank you. We move to you, Priya. You share my first name. I would really want to know what character you play in this series.
Yeah. My character was actually a dream character, and I'm so thankful to her that she has chosen me for this. I'm an actress who is a struggling actress, and I'm not getting enough work because of my age, because of the controversies which I'm coming across. And the money plays a big role in everybody's life. So how actually to earn money or to go in that zone of gaming, and I can say she correctly mentioned like the puzzle.
Yeah.
And try to do something big so she can have a better life.
True.
So yeah, I mean that's from me.
Great. Junaid?
My character was there, it's just like as an influencer. In real life, I'm an influencer, so now I'm so proud and acting, doing these things. And so it was really easy for me because on screen what I was doing, the same thing what we are doing in real life.
Yeah.
So something changes in my life comes up with this. So now I'm looking for better opportunities, of course, which comes up because of Jennifer, Fatima, and Afra.
Great. Joe, I've always seen you on stage hosting events, co-hosting events with me, and always heard your voice, radio here and there. And now I'm going to be watching you in this series as an actor. So tell me about the character you play and your performance. How happy are you with it?
Well, in one word, I'm just flabbergasted. And as a performing artist, so we all are performing artists if you look at it. For us to be able to switch into that character.
Yeah.
So there, my character is a tech entrepreneur, a business person who's into the IT field, tech field, who made it big, you know, and then he loses whatever the finances and the success in the journey. Then, like Priya mentioned, money is a very important factor. So obviously he's at the dearth of money. He needs money to survive, to come back.
True.
And that's where I'm called for something which is getting into that escape room scenario.
Yeah.
And I go there and I play that game, whether I make it out of that scene alive or not. That's for you to watch and say. That's for them to watch and decide. But yes, there are a lot of interesting twists and turns and little frills and things that she has put in as a script writer. So after, and of course, like Alanson mentioned, Zen has been a tough taskmaster. But that toughness is expected and needed. Very important for an artist to be chiseled, shaped, polished. It's a painful process. But at the end, what you see is 24 karat gold.
Well said. Very well said. Yeah, sir.
Yeah, so I would say that my character has so many layers and mysteries and shades. And when you think that you understood the character, you're not. I mean, there's so many layers, so many things that's gonna twist and turns that's gonna come. And when you see, and when you think, when the audience will think that this is the end, it's actually the beginning. We are so honored to be part of it and to make it, where we are right now. It's also a dream for me as well, and it's such a milestone that I have achieved. And it's one of the biggest projects that I've done in Dubai. And thanks to you guys. Thank you.
But yeah, like what said, is now in season 2, everybody's character will change a little
Okay.
bit. And we're very happy to announce that we have Rahul Dev also on board, who's a
lovely.
Bollywood actor. So it's amazing, and we are going ahead with it. So it's just pray for us. That's all I would tell.
Absolutely. We wish you all the very best for season 2, and we'll see how your characters change as well. And thank you so much for
Thank you
joining
so
us.
much
on
for
Stay
having
Connect.
us.
Thank you very
Thank
much
you.
for having us.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I am going to see you next Sunday with yet another solid lineup of stories. Until then, all you gotta do is subscribe to our socials, chill, and stay hooked to Z Connect. Gotta go now. Take care. Bye.